Are you looking for a place in Willow Glen that feels a little different? Welcome home. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with over 2,000 square feet has some features you won't find anywhere else. My favorite things about this home are the Sub-Zero fridge, the Miele dishwasher, the incredible home theater with a 10-foot screen, and the beautiful tree-lined neighborhood that surrounds it. Could this be the one you've been waiting for? I'm Tamara. Give me a call. Let's take a tour.